saying that I got him into trouble and now everything has to end.
Him tell you how you get him in trouble?
He said I left my phone careless and someone got into it, and now some agency is trying to blackmail him.
Oh.
But Tony, that's impossible. I always have my phone on me. There's no way this could have happened.
You sure him not just say that because he want a break? Suppose him not getting a picture.
He did. He sent them to me.
And a picture where you take?
Yes. We were on a private cruise, I think a few months ago, and I took them.
Intimate pictures?
He told me to delete them. I promised that I would. But I kept them. I guess I got caught up, like, looking at them, going back and rewatching them. Must have.
Vanessa, you can't keep them something in your phone,
Never I know. But I don't know who got into them. I don't know who got my phone.
Maybe when you're there at work.
My phone is always on my person. I never leave it anywhere.
You sure about that?
Yes, I am. I can't believe this is happening. He's not even answering my messages.
Vanessa, take it easy. I feel like him soon reach out to you.
No, he's not. Okay? He's gonna protect his marriage at all costs. Right now, I am a liability.
That mean him never love you in the first place. He would have just cut you off, so.
He loves me. I know he does. But I messed up. And now he's gone.
You can't take it so hard,
Tonyan, he's my everything. He's a person that brought me back from the darkest points in my life.
You just say that because you feel say it done. But him so reach out to you.
Now it's just one take. It's over.
You know you can't do this to yourself though. Just give him some time.
I feel like I'm going crazy.
Vanessa, is a man, and a God. You can't make him control yourself.
When I was going through my stress and trials, I called upon God many times. He didn't show up. Everton did.
Saying if he say God sent Everton.
And then take him away? The day I met him was supposed to be my last day.
What do you mean by that?
I got these from the pharmacy. And I was heading home to take them.
Sleeping pills?
I was going to end my life, Tonyan. And all he said was, "You're beautiful." And then went into the pharmacy. It didn't feel like a pass or a man trying to get a woman. It felt genuine. And that's all I needed.
I know say life can be stressful sometimes, Vanessa. But suicide can't be the way out.
Do you know why we're alive, Tonyan? To be seen, to be acknowledged. I was bullied and discriminated against. I had no one, okay? No one. It was so bad. I felt invisible.
No friends, no family.
No one. I was abandoned as a child and raised by an upper middle class family. They didn't even want me to know I was an orphan.
How you find out?
I didn't look like them. The older I got, the more I felt different. It was so obvious.
And you've never met your biological parents?
No. I pressured my foster parents until they told me the truth. And when the parents at my prep school found out, basically their kids weren't allowed to hang out with me. And the kids said that it's because I was ugly why my parents abandoned me. So, go figure, huh?
And you believe them?
I was in prep school, Tonyan. I was the only one that looked like this. And all my parents could say was, block them out. They're just being mean. But how can a 9-year-old child block out that kind of bullying?
I understand, Vanessa. But you have a purpose now.
And the person who helped me to find my purpose and put me back on my feet is gone.
Him help you back by your feet so you can walk by yourself again. You can't totally depend on one person, so Vanessa.
That's easy for you to say. You have a man. He's literally coming back in a few months. I have to be sharing a man. And now it's over. It's all gone.
And you just have to sit down and wallow in your sorrows?
You know what I want to do? I want to find that stinking agency that is trying to blackmail him and burn it to the ground.